Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you how to structure your Google Drive in 2025 so that you can finally stop wasting time searching for the files and keep everything clean and organized. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come in your Google Drive. Over here, you need to make sure that you log in into your account. First of all, you need to start by creating 3 to 5 main folders. Like as you can see, I have this one folder. So you can also click on this new option, then click on the option of new folder. After that, you can give your folder a name and it should come something like this. So you need to have at least 3 to 5 main folders. Like you can give them a name: work, personal, finance, media, or archive. Think of these as your top level categories that covers all of your file types. Now inside each folder you can use consistent names like invoices 2025 or clients A projects or photos January 2025. Always avoid using any vague names like stuff or anything else. Make sure that you stick to a system that works for you, like date based on the topic based topics. So you can also right click on the folder, like you can right click over here, and then you can assign colors to each of the major sections. Like you can give them blue color to give it work, and you can also give this folder the green color in order to make it personal. So you can even add emojis to the folder's name to make them pop visually. So this helps your brain to locate the things faster. For files, you can use daily, right click and mark them as starred. Also, you can check the priority select on the left, and Google Drive uses AI to show your most relevant files there. So once in a month, you can go through your drive and move the older and unused file to the archive folder that you have created in your account. You can delete any duplicates or clutter to keep everything light and easy to navigate. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.